I got an angry response from a reader. I posted a video, and the video was about how to make money, right, as a writer. And he was really upset. He said, writers make jack S-H-I-T. I mean, I know where it's coming from, and he has a point, but here's what I want to say. It's the 80-20 principle. Yeah, I mean, probably 80% of writers don't make much money. Just like I bet you 80% of anything don't make much money. It's becoming a very crowded world. There are more accountants, more car dealers, more professors, more writers, more drivers, more of everything. And everything needs more education, more training, and more marketing. And related to that, I'm at an eatery, and I see there are three types of stores. One, they don't do any marketing at all. They just wait for the customer behind the counter. And the second type, they offer free morsels, free chicken, etc. to the passers-by. And the third kind, they actually stand in front of the store and they grab you and offer you samples of their food. And as you know, I ended up buying from the third kind. So extra effort is needed, just like everything is needed in this crowded world. And I will tie this to the 3P's of success that I have in mind. No matter what you do in life, you need to be successful with these three things. So let's go into that. Yes, welcome to the Moorland, where we have more of everything. Yes, we have more writers, we have more drivers, we have more dentists, more everything. We even have, I'm afraid, more retirees. The population, the number of people is just going up and up. It's not going down. So there will be pressures on all of us, the balance between number of people and jobs available. And as that reader of mine was saying, that he was skeptical as to how much money we as writers can make. But it all comes down to 3P's is what I would say. One is production. Are you producing? You have to produce. There's no other way of saying this simply. Just like there's more of everything in life, you also need to produce more of whatever you are doing. If you're a writer, you have to write your words, 500 words, 1,000, 2,000 words. And the reason I emphasize quantity is quality grows out of quantity. If you're not producing enough, you're not gonna be too successful in this competitive world of ours. And secondly, portfolio. You have to gather your sample work. You have to have a body of work to show that, for example, if you're a salesman, you need to have a number of sales that you have closed, and that will be your portfolio. And for writers, it'll be your user manuals, websites, novels, whatever you are writing. And thirdly, you need a platform. What I'm doing right now is part of my platform. I hope it is. You need to have presence on this social media. This is the age of binary everything and the internet. So when you put together those three things, production, portfolio, platform, those are the ABCs of saying you are here, you exist, you are good, and hopefully that will open up the doors for you. That's what worked for me, and I honestly cannot advise anything else. So you take care of those 3P's, production, portfolio, and platform, and hopefully you'll have much success in the new year. So take good care. See you in another video.